Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, sitting in northern Wisconsin, out on a camping trip. And today I want to hit a couple of rustic roads, and we are at one of them right now. This is Rustic Road number 15. I know nothing about this road other than it's 5 miles long. And I think there is a bend or a turn or something towards the far western end. But I'm just camped literally like maybe 2 miles away. So it was a nice easy jaunt to come here to do this road. And I'm excited to do it. I really am. Let's get on the bike and get going. It's actually warming up pretty good today. So it should be a nice, comfortable ride. Let's go, guys. This pavement's not too bad. I mean, it's got some creases in it that have been filled in with tar, but it's not all broken up. So I'm kind of liking this. And I tell you, in all the riding I've been doing on this trip, I don't think I can actually say I've been on a bad road. It's one of those things that when you're out riding, you just got to be in that moment and enjoy yourself. And that's what I do. I start coming out here, whoa, and bending the road. That branch right there, I thought it was a deer. Actually, on my way here, I was behind some slower traffic, so I was paying attention to what was happening right in front of me. And then all of a sudden, out of the corner of my eye, I see a big bird take off, and it was a bald eagle feeding on a deer off the side of the road by a field. I don't think I've ever been that close to a bald eagle before, not in takeoff flight. Those things are big. This has been a nice little road. The deep woods of Wisconsin. I have no map up on my phone to tell me, what the road is doing or anything. I'm just riding it, letting me experience it as it is, with no pre-warning to what's coming up. A couple of nice curves there. And we will be at the St. Croix River at the end of this road. And I did not realize this road was going to be that twisty. That was a nice little area. I like that. Sorry, you guys were drifting a little on me. Wanted to pick you back up. Not much for scenic views. You're basically just riding through a bunch of trees, a lot of forested area, but it's not a tunnel of trees. The trees don't extend up and over the road. This is just big bump there. This is just, forest there, forest there. couple of signs at the start of that driveway. A few decorations there too. The weather right now is beautiful too. It's like 60 degrees. To me, this is like perfect riding weather. It's not a cloud in the sky. A little hazy from the Canadian fires that are going. But other than that, this is nice. Alright, got a stop sign here. We just keep going straight, guys. Sorry, you guys are drifting again. No, I can't get you any tighter. That's one of the bad things about the selfie sticks and the ram mounts with the camera out there. That camera is actually quite heavy once you get it on the end of a pole. So just all that bouncing and stuff that the pole goes through when I'm riding, it just slowly drops, or if the wind's blowing just right, it takes you off to the side. You know, one thing I am liking is that, this is a bad example over here, but they're giving you a lot of room between the woods and the road. That way, hopefully you got a little bit of warning seeing an animal come out of the woods. Wow, I actually had traffic on the road. Alright, I'm thinking that just through the trees over there is the St. Croix River. So I think we've done our last bend of the, oh, there's a hiking trail for the Governor Knowles State Forest where I am camping. So there's a camping or a hiking area right there. I didn't know that. I know I was camping really close to the river, but I didn't know about that. Alright, I am seeing a stop sign up here, and I'm going to assume that that is the end of our Rustic Road. I am going to stop right here. Yeah, there's no end sign here, but we should have a, yep, Rustic Road 15 sign right there. So this is the end of our road. That was actually kind of fun. I mean, it's nothing superb. You don't get a lot of scenery and stuff like that, but it wasn't a bad ride either. And of course, nice weather, any ride is a good ride. All right, well, this is Mark saying thanks again for watching, guys. Always believe, heart, soul, mind, and body. Believe in yourself that you can go out for your adventure, go out for your ride. Bye, guys.